To see the latest videos first, subscribe to our Staenz YouTube channel and hit the bell icon now. If you are planning to start a new website, I am going to give you 5 reasons to start your website on WordPress. Hello friends, I am Sanjeev Mishra from Staenz and I'll give you reasons to use WordPress. The number 1 reason, WordPress is free and is open source. That means you can download WordPress software from WordPress.org. You can also check the code that is open source. The source code is visible. You can modify that source code. You can ask your developers to modify the code. You can do everything over there. And it's totally free. And it is released under GPL. So there you have freedom. They are not going to charge you in future as well. So it is free and it is open source. The second point is, it is very user friendly. When you will start using WordPress, when you will see the dashboard, you will easily figure out what things are there, how to create a page, how to create an article, how to create contact form, how to add contact form, how to change the design. If WordPress will release any future updates, how to automatically update your WordPress. You can do it just by clicking one button. That's it. So it's the most user-friendly CMS out there. Very user-friendly. Even grandma can use it. So that was the second reason. Third is, WordPress is having more than 50,000 functionalities available for free as plugins. So you have free plugins available for WordPress, more than 50,000 plugins available for WordPress on WordPress.org, which you can install on your WordPress directly from dashboard. You don't have to go to WordPress.org, you don't have to download it and upload it on server, you don't have to do it. You can just directly do it through dashboard. By just one click, installed, another click, activated. And the functionality has been added, you can start using it on your website. That was third reason. Fourth reason is, similar to the functionality, you have more than 10,000 WordPress themes available for free on WordPress.org. That means if you are creating a website for yoga classes, you can download a free theme for yoga. If you are running a restaurant, you can download a free theme for restaurant. So you have more than 10,000 designs available for free, which you can download, you can activate on your website and you can start customizing it. You don't have to write any piece of code. Without writing code, you can create full-fledged website. Alright? So you have 10,000 free themes. Apart from these free themes and free plugins, you have a lot of premium themes and plugins available on internet for WordPress, which you can find and you can add extraordinary functionality, extraordinary designs for your website in just no time, right? Now, my last and very important reason to use WordPress is the support of community. WordPress is having a large community. Currently, more than 30% websites are running on WordPress. More than 75 million websites are running on WordPress. So you have a lot of designers, a lot of developers who are using WordPress and they are continuously building something, making something for this platform. And they are adding functionality, they are adding designs which you can see. Go ahead and you can also participate in that community. You can also feel a part of that community. You can attend events which are happening. They call it WordCamp. You can find WordCamp in every city. And there you can just go and participate. You can talk to other people who are using WordPress, get the feedback, what challenges they are facing. If you are facing any challenge, ask that question in WordPress.org and people will feel more than happy to answer your questions. So you have a strong support of community. So these are 5 reasons I'll say why you should use WordPress for building a website. So when you are starting building a website, go ahead and check WordPress.org. See how you can proceed. A lot of documentation is there. You can use it and you can create an amazing website for your business or for personal use. If you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends, family, or business partner who are planning to start a website, who are thinking to start a website. Comment on this video if you have any questions related to WordPress platform. We'll be happy to answer that. Thanks for watching.